Students, in the previous module we saw what exactly is Sn. Sn is the sum of the first n number of terms, right? And we also saw two formulae of Sn. Now it's time for us to find or to use that formula and do the sums based on Sn. Let's start. The next sum is sum number 1. Find the sum of the following AP. The very first sum given is 2, 7, 12 and so on up to 10 terms. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to find the sum of first 10 terms. That is, we are supposed to find S10, the sum of 10 terms, right? For that, the AP is given to us. The AP is 2, 7, 12. As I always say, whenever you see an AP, the first thing you do is write the value of A and write the value of D, the first term and the common difference, right? So let's quickly write the value of A. A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Right? D is given. So what formula we should use? The first formula, right? So let's use the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now for S10, let us substitute n is equal to 10, S10. So n is equal to 10, a is equal to 2 and D is equal to 5. Let's do it. What do we get? We get S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. Simple. What is 10 upon 2? It's 5. 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. BODMAS rule. The first thing we need to do is multiply and then add. So we get 4 plus 45. So we get it as 5 into 49. So we get it as 245. So S10 is equal to 245. Very, very simple, right? Let's go through a few more sums of the same type. The next is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. Because it is given up to 100 terms, that is, which means that we need to find S100, the sum of first 100 terms. For that, the AP is given to us. From this AP, quickly write the value of A and write the value of D, which is 1.7 minus 0.6, which is 1.1. Just that take care of the calculations here because there is a decimal involved, right? Let's do it. Because D is known to us, we'll be using the first formula. What's the first formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now to find S100, we need to substitute n is equal to 100, a is equal to 0.6 and D is equal to 1.1. Let's do it. What do we get? 100 upon 2. 2 into 0.6, 100 minus 1 into 1.1. Lots of decimals, right? Let's go step by step. Do the calculations properly. 100 upon 2 is 50. 2 into 0.6 is 1.2. 100 minus 1 is 99. And 1.1 you need to multiply with 99. Let's multiply first as per the rule. We get 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. Let's add now 108.9 and 1.2. We get 50 into 110.1. Let's multiply the two. We get S100 is equal to 5505. Absolutely similar concept, just that the calculations were different here, right? Let's move on to the next sum. The next sum is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on up to 12 terms. So here what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find S12. For that the AP is given to us. From that AP, write the value of A, that's minus 37, and write the value of D, which will be minus 33 minus of minus 37. The next term minus the previous term, right? So you get minus 33 plus 37. Minus 33 plus 37 is plus 4 because the bigger number is having the positive sign. So you get it as 4, right? We know D, we know A, we should use the first formula. The first formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. For S12, we need to substitute n is equal to 12, a is equal to minus 37 and D is equal to 4. So let's do it. S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. 12 upon 2 is 6. 2 into minus 37 is minus 34. 12 minus 1 is 11 and 11 into 4 is 44, right? You get 6 into minus 30 because the bigger number 74 is having the negative sign, so it's minus 30. 6 into minus 30 is minus 180, so answer is S12 is equal to minus 180. Let's quickly go through one more sum here. The sum is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, and we need to find the sum of 11 terms, that is S11. Here, this sum will actually test your concepts of LCM. This sum is all about LCM. Okay, so let's do it. The AP is given to us where A is equal to 1 upon 15. Now the concept of LCM starts, very important. D is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. The LCM of 12 and 15 is 60, right? So in the first fraction, the denominator is 12. The LCM is 60, so you need to multiply by 5. In the second, the denominator is 15. The LCM is 60, so you need to multiply by 4. So ultimately what you get is 5 minus 4 upon 60, the LCM, which is equal to 1 upon 60. Clear? Let's move on. We know D, so we need to use the first formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to n is equal to 11. We need to substitute. A we know, D we know. Let's substitute now. S11 is 11 upon 2 into 2 into 1 upon 15, 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 60, right? Which is equal to 11 upon 2 into 2 upon 15 plus 10 into 1 upon 60. Now 10 into 1 upon 60, 0, 0 gets cancelled. What you get is 1 upon 6. So you get 11 upon 2 into 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 6. Now LCM of 15 and 6 is 30, right? So what you get is 11 upon 2, 2 into 2 because 15 2s are 30 plus 1 into 5 because 6 5s are 30, right? Which is equal to 11 upon 2 into 4 plus 5 upon 30, 11 upon 2 into 9 upon 30. 9 upon 30 can be simplified as 3 3s are, 3 10s are. 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. The answer is 33 upon 20. Simple sum, just that those two steps where LCM concept is applied are very, very important, right?